I was driving an Uber for 14 to 15 hours a day.
After completing MBA, I was still looking for a job.
I was preparing for UPSC in Delhi and I was very doubtful about my career at that time.
I was an assistant professor in a college and I was looking for other opportunities with growth.
I was working in a mechanical workshop in Ashok Leyland.
I was a chef in Mumbai.
I had a 4-month internship. I was also laid off because of the pandemic.
Nine months after starting Masai School, everything in the world changed. COVID turns classrooms into Zoom room. But COVID could not break our commitment or our students' resolve to learn tech.
When we started Masai 2 years back, we only wanted to transform the education system in India. We become not just teachers for our students, but partners who take the economic risk of education with them.
The idea of the income share agreement has ensured that no student is left behind, no matter what their financial or educational background was.
With growing unemployment in India during this year, our students continue to get placed, and that's a big motivation for our team as well.
Thank you, Masai, for guiding and helping Arunab and showing him the right way.
And helping him with his dream job. Thank you.
Before Masai, he used to doubt himself, but they helped him realize his true potential and guided it every step.
Masai School has played a pivotal role in entirely changing the life and field of career of my daughter Ayushi.
People from different backgrounds have come to us. Having faced various challenges at Masai, we don't care about their past. We care about students' present and future.
I asked one funny questions from them. What happens if I lose this job? Ankuru's statement was like that, even if you come like after 10 years, we are there for you.
I had to leave my job after 6 months because of the COVID situation. Masai got in touch with me. I was having a notice period at that time, and during my notice period itself, I got my job.
I mean, the support does help, definitely. That is what I would say. Like, it did work out well for me. Thanks for everything.
To teach is to learn twice, I would say. I'm very proud to what some of the students have been able to achieve and how they've been able to turn their lives around.
Nothing gives me more satisfaction than seeing the students exploring the world of code and creating a better future for themselves.
As a mentor, I can see myself in each of the students.
Masai started with a school, but eventually Masai has become a thought. The thought of transferring the life of millions of children, making them skill enabled and making a change in their life.
I'm looking forward to Masai becoming Masai University by the time you turn 5. Hope you guys achieve it for the country.
We care about the quality of education that we provide to our students. That is why we have provided high-speed internet to over 100 plus students during COVID to support them in remote learning.
We know how education can be a financial burden to some of our students. So we have come with a GLIDE program which gives access to 15,000 rupees to our students to meet their household expenses.
After 10 years, I never imagined that, I'll be one day working as a software engineer.
Masai doesn't see your background. It's all about determination and grit.
Masai School is what you get when you combine a friend and a mentor.
Masai do really invest in its students.
Masai School really cares about its students.
Masai, a coding school that cares about you.